Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in Achievers MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management. And today's topic is use of artificial intelligence in banking. Very important topic. It is one of the main topics of your retail banking now. Because you might have seen in total banking is now online, isn't it? So that's why follow this video till the end. Okay? Download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study materials plus live classes, ebooks, tests, everything. Okay, so download it now. Subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7. Do it right now. You are getting latest updates on JAIIB and CIB, and also you are getting free YouTube series. So do it now. More on these batches here. These are the two new batches for March 14th. Okay, today only. So join them ASAP. Okay, 80% off, double validity. Use the code Y432. More on this later. I'll tell you what are the details, everything I'll give you at the end. Okay, let's start. So what is the schedule for the session? The schedule is, what is AI first? Second, what is the use of AI in the banks? And third is, we'll be having the objective question. So action packed sequence today. Okay, the full series, you follow it till the end. What is AI basically? Artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence in bank. Firstly, we must know what's the utility of that, what's the significance of that. If you know the advantage of something, only then we should study it. Otherwise, why should we study it? So the advantages of AI in banks are firstly cyber security and fraud detection, chatbots, loan and credit decisions, tracking market trends, data collection and analysis, customer experience. Remember, the word is data, not data. Okay, customer experience, risk management, regulatory compliance, predictive analysis, analytics, and process automation. So all these 5 plus 5, 10 uses AI has in the banks. Okay, so that's why AI has gained a huge importance. Firstly, many of you might have seen the chatbots. What are chatbots? Whenever you go on any site, nowadays you get this on the right hand corner, you get this screen. Okay, may I help you? And there's someone chatting. So that is basically a chatbot. Okay, so chatbots. Also chatbots are used nowadays in this IVR numbers also. Okay, means in that what happens nowadays, everything has gone online on chatbots only. Using this chat GPT, I can use these chatbots for talking also. Okay, then cyber security and fraud detection. This AI has helped a lot in cyber security. Means we can definitely judge what all can be the trends of the cyber robbers as such. Okay, then loans and credit decisions. I can definitely check the habits of any human being from the various data collections, and then I can give the loan accordingly, tracking the market trends, where the markets are going. Okay, tell me what is the market trend now? What is the market trend regarding banking? Type here, type in the comment section. What do you think is the market trend regarding banking today? Correct. The trend is everyone is going online now. Majority of the customers are going online. Majority means who? Mainly remember those customers who are business oriented. Okay, so tracking market trends. Second, next is data collection and analysis. What is data collection and analysis? Means earlier I used to employ all the human beings for all the surveys and everything. Nowadays everything can be done online only. So I can use the AI tools, artificial intelligence tool, to collect the data, and importantly, that will save the cost. Save cost is important. Okay, because otherwise employee cost was heavy. Customer experience, right? Customer is getting a better experience, he'll get a better value to his buying. Okay, risk management. Risk is covered. See here, once your this loan and credit decisions are okay, your risk is covered majorly, right? Regulatory compliance means regulatory means what? RBI compliance. Whenever I have to submit the reports to RBI, I have to see to it that they don't get missed out. The dates are not missed out. The data is not missed out. So AI can help a lot in this. Predictive analysis means basically this market trend only. You can combine these two. Means what I can predict for the future. That I can know it from the tracking the market trends also. So I can definitely predict that people are moving to which direction now in banking scenario. Process automation. The more I go for process automation, the more will be the value to the customers. More easy will be the steps for that customer. Okay. The more in the human interface or human interference, the more are the problems in the banking. So we always, all the banks are trying to go for process automation. So these are the 10 major significances or utilities of AI in the banking system. Now, prediction of future outcomes and trends. With its power to predict future scenarios by analyzing past behaviors, AI helps banks predict future outcomes and trends. So, depending on the past behaviors of any customer, I can definitely tell what can the customer do in next 6 months, next 1 year. Okay. This helps banks to identify fraud, detect anti-money laundering patterns, and make the customer recommendations. Means here, if some customer is, let's say, doing overall monthly expense, he is doing it for, let's say, 40,000 per month. Okay, 40k per month is his monthly expense. So I can definitely, as a bank, I can provide him a loan up to, let's say, 2 to 3 lakhs roughly, because that will suffice his or her requirement, normal routine requirement. So that has given me a business advantage. Also, if I see some customer is spending roughly per month, he is spending around 3,000 on SIPs, mutual funds. So I can definitely give him the advertisements regarding the mutual funds. It means he or she is investing in that. So this is the use of AI. AI tracks all your habits, all your expenses, monthly, half yearly, yearly, anything AI can track. Okay. Next is cognitive process automation. What is cognition? Cognition means continuous learning. Okay. Continuous learning. Continuously it's going on and on. Continuous. Okay, let's call it continuous learning. Okay. So constantly upgrading. So cognitive process automation. The feature enables automation of variety of information sensitive, costly, and error prone banking services like claims management. Means error prone means what? Claims management in the sense. Claims management means if there are certain claims on the banking system, or mainly this is used in insurance sector. When there are claims on the insurance from any insurance customer, how they are to be managed? They are managed using this AI. It will help a lot. Okay. Realistic interactive interfaces. Realistic means what's here? Nowadays, tell me, when you give a call on that 1800 number, right? 1800, all these big numbers are there. You give the call, right? On that number, tell me, once you give the call, how much bored you get when they tell you press 1 for English, 2 for Hindi. Type yes in the comment section. Then you type 1. Then they say, okay, for this press 1, for this press 2, this press 3. Then go to speak to phone banker, press 9. Again you press something. Again they tell you, now further to for this press this. You get so irritated. Okay. So this is irritation can be removed using AI. You need not go through all these procedural parts. Otherwise customer will keep down the phone. He won't speak to you at all. Right? So that's why realistic interactive interfaces means what the customer wants directly. Give him those options only. Okay. Chatbots identify the context and emotions in the text chat and respond to it in the most appropriate way. So chatbots will help a lot in this IVR system as well as helping the customers as such. What is the chatbot? Just now I gave you. It's an advantage of from the AI only. Okay. Effective decision making means what? Effective means what? I'll be able to make the decisions fast. Here there are two words or always remember. One is effective and second is efficient. Many of the human beings are efficient but they are not effective. Okay. The one who is effective will always move ahead. Effective means the one who works, the one who starts. Okay. So effective decision making means what? Cognitive systems that think and respond like human experts, provide optimal solutions based on the available data in the real time. So cognitive systems means ever changing systems that think and respond like human experts, means the data is fed into those systems so in details that they almost think like the human beings. Almost, I'm not saying completely, okay? Provide optimal solutions. What optimal means? What? Not all solutions. What is required by that customer, only that will be provided, okay? So that is known as optimal solution in the real time. These systems keep a repository of the expert information in its database called as knowledge database. What is knowledge database? See, these words are very important from the exam point of view. You will get the questions on this. What is knowledge database? Knowledge database means repository means what? Storage. Okay, this means storage of expert information in its database. What is this expert information? Expert information means, suppose if I am the customer, as I gave you the example, I spend around 2000 rupees on SIP. Then every fifth I have a EMI of my home loan. So what will this AI do? AI will track this for next 6 months, and it will say that, oh, every fifth this guy is having this EMI. So what will they do? The bank will try to give me a short loan. If my EMI is, let's say, 15,000, then sometime it may happen that I don't have 15,000. So this bank will give me an immediate loan of 20,000. So that is the use of AI. Okay, short loan, smaller amount loan. So that will give a better advantage to the banks as such. Okay, so that is known as efficient decision making. Got it, everyone? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood up till now. Type yes, everyone. Type yes in the comment section. Okay. Robotic automation of processes. Robotic means what? Automation. Remember, the more we go for automation, the more faster will be the processes. This enables automation of about 80% of the repetitive work processes, allowing knowledge workers to dedicate their time in the value-added operations that require a high level of human intervention. Means what? Okay, tell me one thing. You had earlier that passbook printing. There was one employee who sat in the branch with a salary of around, old employee means senior employee, right? Clerical level many a times, salary of around 50,000, just passbook printing. Now what has happened? The passbook printing has gone to machines near the ATMs, right? So that is known as automation. That saves the cost a lot. Okay. So that's why always remember, bankers have to change, have to keep on upgrading the knowledge. Okay, you can't just sit in the bank for passbook printing or doing some clearing or doing some cash transactions. No, knowledge is the important part in banking system now. Okay, so this enables almost 80% of the repetitive work processes, allowing knowledge workers to dedicate their time to value-added operations. What do you mean by value-added operations? Value-added means those which bring business. Bringing business is known as value addition. Always remember, in any bank or any branch, the one who brings the business will always be liked by the manager. Okay, always remember this. The one who brings the business will always be favored by the manager and the senior management, obviously, isn't it? That requires high level of human intervention. Got it, everyone? Okay, before moving to the question section now, let me tell you about these batches. Okay, both the language batches are there. English bilingual, PPB, IFS, AFM, retail banking and wealth management. All the 4 subjects are covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered over here. Mainly 80% discount is going on right now. Use the code Y432. Also, on Mahapacks you are getting double validity. What is Mahapack? Mahapack means 15 plus batches for PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking. Per subject 15 plus. So go for it immediately, okay? Starting today only, March 14th, okay? Immediately join it. Okay. Let's go to the question section. Now you have to answer, okay? It's your time to speak now. Chatbot is an example of number 1, AI. B. Digital banking. Blockchain. None of the above. So chatbot is an example of everyone. Let me see how many of you can answer this now. Very simple. Just now we have covered this in our session also. Let me see the answers. Yeah. AI. Everyone is correct. AI, right? Artificial intelligence is all about. So what is this AI about? Playing a game on a computer, making the machine intelligent, programming on machine with your own intelligence, putting your intelligence in the machine. What is all this, man? Which of them is correct? I'll tell you mainly. See here, everyone knows this is wrong. A is out. Many of you might be confused in B, C and D. Making the machine intelligent. Some of you might feel that yes, this is okay. Programming your on machine with your own intelligence and putting your intelligence into the machine. Now you have to choose between these three. All of them seem to be similar, but you have to choose the correct one. Which is the correct one over here? Can you make a machine intelligent? Machine can't be intelligent, right? Means you can input the programs in it, you can make it work on those programs, but you can't make it intelligent. So after all, you have to do your own programming on the machine. So that is basically the answer. Programming on machine with your own intelligence. So among these three, you have to choose the best one. Okay? Programming on machine with your own intelligence. That is what is the AI. Okay? So you program it in such a way that the machine functions for itself. It does not require the interference of any human being later. Okay? Putting your intelligence in the machine, this is not possible. Means human intelligence can never go into the machines. I can program it with 1,000 possibilities, but there can also be 1,001 possibility which that machine has not seen. Okay? The application or applications of AI are. So what are the applications of AI? Just now we saw them. Expert systems, gaming, vision systems and all of the above. Simple one, very simple. Applications of AI are. Many of you are saying that gaming is not the right answer. No. Answer is all of the above. See this. Remember, expert systems, everyone says okay, done. Expert systems means what? DSS, decision support system. These are all expert systems. Okay. So that is an application, yes. What about gaming? Don't think gaming as the only one, like the playing that Free Fire or any mobile game. Okay, it's not that. Gaming has changed. Okay, there are two types of gaming industries now. One is gaming by chance and second is gaming by knowledge. These two are separate games and these two are separate machineries altogether. Okay. And remember, all of your studies, all of your knowledge parts are now coming under gaming. So gaming is becoming a huge industry now. So gaming, yes, it's an application. Vision systems means what can be the vision of my bank or what can be the vision of my organization, industry, anything. Long-term planning. Okay. So the answer is all of them. CBS stands for Core Banking Solutions. Core Banking Solutions. Common Banking Solutions. Credit Banking Solutions. What is the correct answer? Many of you who have joined in CBS just 1 or 2 years back, they don't understand the meaning of CBS. We call the softwares the name by which we use them, right? But these are all called as CBS. These are the banking software. What is CBS? Banking software. What is the answer? Those who have joined in around 2010 might know the answer correctly. It is Core Banking Solutions, CBS. Before CBS, there was a standalone computing. Standalone. There were no NEFT, no RTGS. There was no multi-city check, nothing. Standalone computers. Can you imagine this? Those who have worked almost 20-25 years in banking might know all these things. Okay. EFT stands for Electronic Fund Transmission, Electronic Fund Transfer, Electronic Feature Transfer. None of these. What is the answer? EFT stands for electronic fund transfer. NEFT, forgot NEFT, right? NEFT, we do it on a daily basis, right? So electronic fund transfer, EFT over here means electronic fund transfer, okay? RDGS NEFT, okay? Who is known as the inventor of artificial intelligence? My God, this is a historic question, isn't it? Charles Babbage, John McCarthy, Alan Turing, and Andrew Ng. So it is known as, who is known as? Okay, I'll answer this. Many of you might not be knowing this. John McCarthy. He was the inventor of AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, this is just for general knowledge. It will be hardly asked in exam, but remaining questions will be asked in exam. Okay. Now let me show you how to use this code Y432. Remember, in this batch we are covering all the 4 subjects, numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. Okay. How to use this code? Go to Adda 24/7. Let me show you. Okay. Let's go to Adda 24/7. Okay. One sec. Yeah. If you are having the app, I would suggest go on the app. In the app, you are getting 1% extra, 81% discount you are getting. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. Let me show you. Say this. Now you are on Adda 24/7 live. Okay. What do you do? Click on JAIIB and CIB. See this. I'll show you that also. See this. Click on JAIIB and CIB on the front page only. Over here. See this. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Once you click on JAIIB and CIB, you'll see this JAIIB, CIB Mahapack, CIB 23, JAIIB 23. See this. Click on JAIIB 23. You'll see the batches. Okay. Click on that English batch. English. Okay. Click on the English batch. You'll see the details. What are the details? Details means when is the class starting, what are the dates, how many days in a week, what are the study plans, everything. Mainly I'll tell you, recorded videos are available 24/7. So you can get the videos anytime. If you miss out on any class, you can definitely get back to it. Also, 2-way interactive classes are available. You can ask the doubts there and then itself. E-books are available, tests are available, everything is available. What are you waiting for? And class is starting today. Join it ASAP. 19,999. Click on view offers. Put this code. Look at this code. Y432. 80% off. Look at this. 19,999 reduces to 3,999. 80% off you are getting. My God. Go for it immediately. You won't get such an offer every now and then. Okay. Okay. I'll show you Mahapack also. What is the Mahapack? See this. In Mahapack you are getting 15 plus batches per subject. Okay. So the JAIIB CIB Mahapack. See this. Click on JAIIB CIB Mahapack. You'll see this JAIIB ka Mahapack, CIB ka Mahapack, JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Click on JAIIB ka Mahapack. Okay. Clicked on it. See this. You'll see the details. 6 plus 6 months. 12 months validity. It's not always because of this discount offer. It's going on. You can watch, get the details. Okay. 15 plus batches for PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking. 15 plus batches. Case study batches are available. Ebooks are available. Recorded videos are available. Okay. Let me show you the fees. 32,796. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Look at this now. 32,796 reduces to 6,559. 80% off. Validity 12 months. Divide 6,559 by 12 months. How much are you getting? Less than rupees 18 per month, per day. 18 per day, isn't it? And 18, how many batches? 15 plus batches. Not even 1 rupee per batch roughly. So in 1 rupee per batch you are getting a investment for lifetime. Instead of spending it on the tea expenses, on the tea breaks, we can spend it on this, on our life, isn't it? So go for it immediately. These offers won't last long. Okay. Grab these opportunities ASAP, because this double validity won't last long. Join it ASAP. Join the